Hey, it's Clay Trade, and this will be a live trade video. I'm going to try to capture some live trades here. Market opens up here in less than a minute, so I will keep you updated. Going for some shares here at 79.65 here on GoPro. Okay, I got those, and we'll look to either get a quick little score on them or scale out, or excuse me, build up a little bit bigger size of a position here. So let's see what happens here with it. Going to pick up some more shares at 78.72 if I can get those. That would be fantastic. So I'm going to pause it, and I will keep you posted on what happens with this first trade. I'd like to try to capture a few different trades here, but I don't want one trade to drag out too long for the video time, so I'll keep you updated. Going to try to force some more shares down there at 79.01. So I got those. My average is now 79.33. And really at this point, I'm just going to try to kind of scale out, and not the best looking trade, but I think I can still turn somewhat of a profit here on it. So that's what I'm going to aim to do here. And now I got those. So 79.12 is going to be, or is my average right now. So we'll see if it can bounce up there and just get me filled out. Like I said, at this point, more in a loss management mode, or maybe just a small little profit mode here. So let's see what happens with it. You know, I still do like the overall context of it, so I like the chances of it to, you know, get a nice little turnaround here. So let's see what happens. I will keep you updated. All right, well, I missed all that, and like I said, wanting a loss mitigation mode. So 315, a decent sized loss, but nothing huge. You know, I was going for, you know, had I gotten a little bit, couple better entry points, I would have been, you know, much bigger of a win than 315. But you know, just speaking clearly and you know, kind of bluntly, I just didn't get the best entry points there. But you know, I recognize that, not to pat myself on the back, because obviously I took a loss, but you know, I recognize that relatively quickly and decide, you know what, you know, I don't want this thing to spin out of control. So managed to just keep it at 315, and you know, nothing that can't be overcome. Still plenty of time left in the day, so let's see what happens. Sorry about that, missed that one. Shorted 500 TPX at 51.99, and then covered quickly for 51.88. And hindsight is killing me on this one. So you can see it's rolling back over. So still 18 cents in, like I said, a very short amount of time, about 20 seconds. But you know, with hindsight now, could have made better. But I'll take a quick $90. So I apologize for missing that one. But let's see if I can capture some more trades. Okay, going for some shares here of LinkedIn at 229.40. Got those. Let's see if I can just do a quick little micro scalp here. And there we go. So you saw that. Made a quick 20 cents there. And I don't know, what was that, 5 seconds? So $40, nothing huge, but once again, hindsight may make me look kind of silly here, but like I said, I just wanted a quick little micro scalp there. And yep, I'm looking very stupid, but oh well, got another $40. Let's see what else I can capture. And again, I apologize, another very quick one, but just traded in and out of LinkedIn for, I guess, what was that, an 18-cent move on 200 shares. So that gave me another quick $36. So now at 76 there. So let me see if I can try to capture some trades here. Okay, going for some shares here of CCI at 77.80. Let's see if I can get those. May have been a little too anxious to get them at 77.80. Yep, I'm going to have to abort that just because I think I was already looking for the move. Or the move I was looking for the bounce back up. Thinking just happened. Let's see. All right, I will keep you posted. Just trying to kind of think right now, but I'll let you know if I decide to make another move on this one. Looking to cover some shares here at 78.01 on CCI. Ended up going short at 78.10. So I will keep you updated on that if it looks like I'm going to get filled. Nope, there I was right there. Good, I finally caught something. So there's another quick little $45. I'm going to keep on looking. Just a quick update on things. Since the last time I paused it, I haven't really been looking at the markets at all. Had some other stuff. Just I'm not going to call it a downfall, but you know, when you work from home, there's things that come up that if you're around and can help with, then you go and help with them. So it's just one of those situations. So haven't really, like I said, haven't been looking, but I'm going to try to hop back into it. I may just have to end this video in the red. I'd like to try to come back, but I'm not going to force anything just for the sake of trying to make a nice little video where I can proclaim that I came back from the red. So we'll see what happens, but did want to offer a quick little update. All right, I just had a trade there. It was just goofy. I only got partial fill at 454, and I don't like when I get those odd numbers like that, so I just turned around and sold it quickly for a little 6-cent move there, so $27.24. But like I said, when I get those partial fills like that, it just makes, I don't know, maybe it's kind of a little pet peeve of mine, or it just kind of throws me off a little bit. So I just decided to might as well just hop back out. But did get another quick $27 there. Okay, going for some shares here at 31.56 on CMRX. Not sure if it's going to get down there or not, but wanted to at least let you know here in case I missed the entry point. So that's where things stand right now. Okay, well, I was up on the best bid, so getting close. We'll see what happens. I just tried to play this breakout, and this is just an instance of me trying to make back the final little bit that I need to say that I broke even. I'm not very good at playing these sorts of stocks, and here you can see I bought in at 704 and then realized, what am I doing, you idiot? You're not good at these stocks. So I sold for just break even, and now it's up at 708. So it was actually a decent entry point, but like I said, I'm not good, and I fell into the trap of wanting to make a cool video here. So just wanted to get out at break even. So I'll keep looking around, but I got to be wrapping things up here. It's getting near that time where things are kind of getting a little bit more choppy, and it's very difficult from a psychological level. I'll be the first to admit, I want to put together a cool little video here, but it plays little mind tricks with me because I want to find something to trade so I can get back to at least break even. But at the same time, I can't be doing stupid stuff and stepping outside of my strong areas. And like I said, sub $10 stocks, I'll play them, but they're by no means a strong area, as you just witnessed here. Now I'm looking at it, and here it's at 710. So that was actually a nice little entry point, but wanted to play err on the side of caution. All right, well, I'm sorry. I'm actually watching my 2-month-old daughter right now. My wife is out and about, so she's hanging out with me, and not to state the obvious, but obviously my daughter comes first before any sort of stock. So I got into this one, and then I had, it was all set up, and then I had to step away. So I never was really able to get recording, but, I bought into this pretty much a big washout move, and then just turned around for a quick little flip for $69. So now I'm up $30 on the day. But you may be thinking, you took that big loss, and then you had all these wins, but you're still barely, green. And that's a valid point. So let's go back to GoPro for a second. And the difference here is my strategy. My strategy for this, for GoPro, was I was going big, and I wanted to, go for a nice size win. And I actually traded again, because I was originally down 315, but I traded again, and now I'm only down 276 on it. But if you remember back, I built a position into this move, and then, as I noted, I didn't get the best position, so it wasn't I didn't do the best job building bigger size. However, this was the move I was looking for, and this is hindsight, obviously. But I lost 315 on it. But had I played it just a tad bit better, I would have been in a better shape. And then this was the move, and this was about for even when I played it poorly, this was about $1.50 move from my average. And remember, I got up to as many as I think 1,200 shares. So let's just say it was $1.50 move. Let's just say a dollar move. A dollar move on 1,200 shares. That's $1,200. And I could have been sitting there conservatively at a $1,200 gain. It just didn't work out like that, though. It didn't. Like I said, I didn't do the best job building it. But the move came that I was looking for. And even on the conservative end, like I said, because this was about a $1.50 move, actually maybe even more. But let's just say at $1 to keep the math simple. That would have been right around a $1,200 gain minimum. And at the end of the day, I risked $315. Possibly a little bit more, but like I said, I didn't do it, so I went into more of risk mitigation mode and loss management, and just kept it at 300. So I went big. So the risk versus reward was there. I was going big for the move that did happen. And had I played it just a tad bit better, I would have been sitting, conservatively, let's just say at $1,000. And usually I don't go huge like that, but like I said, I wanted to try to catch something nice on a video, but it just didn't quite work out. But then for all these other ones, I wasn't going in big. The plan was never to build big size. It was just kind of micro scalping, hopping in and out, as you saw. So that chipped away at it, but this was a different strategy. I went big, and the move came that I thought. I just didn't play it right. But so I'm happy to take a $315 loss when the gain could have been $1,200, if not more. So that was the risk versus reward that I was looking at there. But anyways, even with that and chipping away, I am now up $30 on the day after the morning session. It's still only 11 a.m., so plenty of time left to trade and now build on top of this. If you're interested in learning how to trade like this, meaning with technical analysis, which is over here, candlestick charting, level 2s, I offer many courses on that. All you have to do is go to claytrader.com, go to the training portion of the site. I also have a private trading group where you can hang out with me and others in a live chat room. You get a free subscription to my newsletter where I send out my weekly scans and watch list. And also, if you want kind of everything in one package at a massive bulk discount, then I'd encourage you to check out Clay Trader University. That also, on top of the all my courses, the lifetime membership to the trading group, you also get access to live webinars that I do, case study videos that I do, all sorts of stuff. So if anything, though, I am biased. I'll be the first to admit that. So read some testimonials. And then finally, if you like this video, please click the like button down below if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching it on my site, please click the share buttons up above. Leave comments, little things like that really do go a long way. So thanks for watching. Everybody have a good Friday. I'm not sure if this is going to get posted today on Friday, but thanks for watching. Remember, as long as things are proportionate risk versus reward, that's the whole goal. Remember, trade without emotion.